Dear students, Sat Shri Akal. In today's video, we are presenting a video of class 7, subject Computer Science, term 2, syllabus revision. In this video, we have revised lesson 1 to lesson 8 by answering the question of 1 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks according to the paper pattern. So let us now have a look at the Computer Science subject paper pattern. As you can see in this table, 50 marks are distributed according to the paper pattern in this table. First of all, we look at the total marks column, in which the marks are distributed from lesson 1 to lesson 8. According to this pattern, a paper of 8 marks will come from lesson 1. Similarly, paper of 7 marks will come from lesson 2 and so on. Similarly, if we talk about 1 mark questions, there are 25 questions of 1 marks will come from all the lesson mentioned here. So similarly, 3 marks question will come from all the other lessons except lesson 1, 5 and 7. Similarly, if we talk about question carrying 5 marks, each will come from lesson 1 and lesson 7. Now we start revising the question answer of all these lessons. So let's get started. So we will now learn about multiple choice question, which is carrying 1 marks each. First question is, to use number pad dash should we keep on, and their options are num lock, caps lock, scroll lock, or none of these. And the right answer is, to use number pad num lock should we keep on. Second one is, in home row dash key is pressed with the little finger of left hand, and their options are A, S, D, and the last one is F. And the right answer is, in home row A key is pressed with the little finger of left hand. And third one is, in home row dash key is pressed with the middle finger of right hand. And their options are J, K, L, and last one is semicolon. And the right answer is, in home row K key is pressed with middle finger of right hand. And the fourth one is, in second row dash key is pressed with ring finger of left hand. And their options are Q, W, E, and the last one is R. And the right answer is, in second row W key is pressed with ring finger of left hand. And fifth one is, in third row dash key is pressed with index finger of right hand. And their options are B, N, M, and the last one is M and N. And the right answer is, in third row M and N key is pressed with index finger of right hand. And sixth one is, Window Explorer has 2 panes. These are dash and dash, and the options are first, second, left, right, top, bottom, and the last one is file folder. And the right answer is, File Explorer has 2 panes. These are left and right. And the seventh one is, dash view tells about size, type, and date of modified of a file. And their options are details, tiles, list, and the last one is content. And the right answer is, details view tells about size, type, and date of modify of a file. Eighth one is, dash command is used to move an item from its place. And their options are copy, paste, cut, and the last one is delete. And the right answer is, cut command is used to move an item from its place. And the ninth one is, a dash is a combination of pictures, colors, and sounds on our computer. And their options are background, desktop, screensaver, and the last one is theme. And the right answer is, theme is a combination of pictures, colors, and sound on our computer. And the 10th one is, a dash is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. And their options are background, desktop, screensaver, and the last one is theme. And the right answer is, a screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is not in use for a specified duration of time. And the 11th one is, Control plus S is used to dash. And their options are save, open, new, and the last one is close. And the right answer is, Control plus S is used to save. At 12th one is, below the ruler the large area is called the dash, and their options are text area, open area, close area, and last one is all of these. And the right answer is below the ruler, the large area is called the text area. And the 13th one is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, dash, and their options are horizontal, vertical, left, right, upper bar, lower bar, or none of these. And the right answer is there are two scroll bar in a Word document, horizontal and vertical. And the 14th one is to open a new document, press dash keys on the keyboard. And their options are Control plus O, Control plus N, Control plus S, and the last one is Control plus V. And the right answer is to open a new document, press Control plus N keys on the keyboard. And the 15th one is the dash view show the document as it will look when it is printed. And their options are print layout, draft, outline, and the last one is full size. And the right answer is the print layout view shows the document as it will look when it is printed. And the 16th one is to select a whole word, dash click on it. And their options are single, double, triple, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is to select a whole word, double click on it. And the 17th one is the dash group of home tab allow us to change our text font style, size, color, and many other elements. And their options are font, paragraph, styles, and the last one is editing. And the right answer is the font group of home tab allow us to change our text font style, size, color, and many other elements. And the 18th one is dash means draw a horizontal line underneath the letters. And their options are bold, italic, underline, or none of these. And the right answer is underline means draw a horizontal line underneath the letters. And the 19th one is dash option means that the text is shown like it was marked with a highlighter pen. And their options are font color, text highlight color, and the last one is all of above. And the right answer is text highlight color option means that the text is shown like it was marked with a highlighter pen. And the 20th one is after inserting a shape, a new tab will appear which is called dash, and the options are drawing tool format, shape tool format, drawing shape format, or none of these. And the right answer is after inserting a shape, a new tab will appear which is called drawing tool format. And the 21st is after selecting a picture, dash tab appears, and their options are format, page layout, insert, and the last one is view. And the right answer is after selecting a picture, format tab appears. And the 22nd one is for text wrapping we can use dash option, and their options are square, tight, behind text, or all of these. And the right answer is for text wrapping we can use all of these options. And the 23rd one is to remove any unwanted parts of picture, dash option is used, and their options are crop, rotate, group, and the last one is compress. And the right answer is to remove any unwanted part of picture, crop option is used. And the 24th one is which of the following option is not available in the adjust group of format tab, and their options are correction, artistic effect, remove background, and the last one is picture styles. And the right answer is picture style option is not available in the adjust group of format tab. The 25th one is we can find the number of words in the dash bar at the bottom of the window, and their options are taskbar, status bar, title bar, and the last one is scroll bar. So the right answer is we can find the number of words in the status bar at the bottom of the window. And the 26th one is dash key is used to move the cursor in the next adjoining cell of a table, and their options are control, shift, tab, and the last one is home. And the right answer is tab key is used to move the cursor in the next adjoining cell of a table. And the 27th one is the table button is present on the dash tab, and their options are home, layout, insert, and the last one is view. the table button is present on the insert tab. And the 28th one is we can change the width of a column by selecting the dash button in the table group. And their options are select, view grid lines, property, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is we can change the width of a column by selecting the property button in the table group. And the 29th one is a dash consists of a number of columns and rows, and their options are document, table, view, and the last one is data. And the right answer is a table consists of a number of columns and rows. And 30th one is a dash is an intersection of column and rows, and their options are cell, table, view, and the last one is data. And the right answer is a cell is an intersection of columns and rows. And 31st one is multimedia is a combination of two words dash, and their options are images, sound, audio, video, multimedia, hardware, software. And the right answer is multimedia is a combination of two words multi and media. And 32nd one is animation is of two types. These are dash, and their options are analog digital, static hyper, raster bitmap, path frame. And the right answer is animation is of two types. These are path and frame. And 33rd one is requirement for multimedia are dash, and their options are images, sound, analog digital, hardware, software, and the last one is multimedia. And the right answer is requirement for multimedia are hardware and software. And 34th one is input devices consist of dash, and their options are monitor, printer, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is hardware, software. And the right answer is input devices consist of keyboard and mouse. And the 35th one is in multimedia text is of dash and dash type, and their options are analog digital, raster bitmap, static hyper, and the last one is path frame. And the right answer is in multimedia text is of static and hyper type. And 36th one is primary memory is also called dash, and their options are internal memory, external memory, physical memory, auxiliary memory. And the right answer is primary memory is also called internal memory. And 37th one is dash memory is not a read-only memory, and their options are ROM, PROM, EEPROM, and the last one is RAM. And the right answer is RAM memory is not a read-only memory. And 38th one is dash is not a portable storage device, and their options are external hard disk, pen drive, hard disk drive, and the last one is memory card. And the right answer is hard disk drive is not a portable storage device. And 39th one is the memory is divided into number of small parts called dash, and their options are cells, area, intersection, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is the memory is divided into number of small parts called cells. And 40th one is USB mean dash, and their options are uniform service book, universal serial bus, universal straight bus, and the last one is uniform serial bus. And the right answer is USB means universal serial bus. So now we will learn about very short answer type question, which is also consist of 1 marks. And the first question is, for typing purpose a keyboard can be divided in how many parts? And the right answer is in 2 parts, which is left side and right side. Second one is write the name of the technique for typing with all finger without looking at keyboard, and the right answer is touch typing. Third one is write the name of any one font. So the name of the one font is Arial. And the fourth one is which finger is used to press spacebar during typing, and the right answer is thumb. Fifth one is which key is used to go to new line during typing. So the right answer is enter key. And the sixth one is which window application is used for management of files, and the right answer is Window Explorer. And the seventh one is What do we call a folder inside another folder? And the right answer is subfolder or subdirectory. Eighth one is, what is a method of opening Window Explorer? So the right answer is window key plus E. Ninth one is, write the name of any default library of window, and the right answer is document folder. And the 10th one is, which option is used to make a duplicate of an item, and the right answer is copy and paste option. 11th one is, write the name of option that is present at the bottom right corner of every group, and the right answer is dialog box launcher. 12th one is, write the name of topmost bar of Word window, and the right answer is title bar. 13th one is, which view of MS Word display the document in the same way as we get it after printing, and the right answer is print layout. And the 14th one is, write the shortcut to create a new document, and the right answer is Control plus N. And the 15th one is, which layout view shows the outline of a document, and the right answer is outline view. And the 16th one is, which option split the text into two or more columns, and the right answer is page layout then column option. And the 17th one is, which page orientation sets the page in horizontal direction, and the right answer is landscape option. And the 18th one is, which option is used to group two or more images together so that they can be treated as a single object, and the right answer is format then merge group. And the 19th one is, which option can be used to change the color of a picture in MS Word, and the right answer is format then color option. And the 20th one is, which option is used to count word in MS Word, and the right answer is word count option. And the 21st one is, which key is used to move the cursor to the next cell in a table, and the right answer is tab key. The 22nd one is, intersection of column and row is called dash, and the right answer is cell. The 23rd one is, which group of layout tab contains the split cell option, and the right answer is merge group. And the 24th one is, which option can be used to join two or more cells, and the right answer is merge cell option. And the 25th one is, in how many types a video can be classified, and the right answer is two types, which is analog and digital video. And the 26th one is, there are how many type of text, and the answer is two types, that is static and hypertext. And 27th one is, write the name of any one type of animation, and your answer is path animation. 28th one is, write any one application of multimedia, and the right answer is education and entertainment field. And the 29th one is, what is the capacity of floppy disk, and the right answer is 1.44 megabyte. And the 30th one is, what is the capacity of compact disk? So the right answer is 650 MB to 700 MB. And 31st one is, which memory unit is usually used to measure the storage capacity of hard disk, and the right answer is gigabyte. And 32nd one is, which is having greater storage capacity out of CD or DVD, and the right answer is DVD, which is called digital versatile disk. And 33rd one is, which computer port is used to attach pen drive? So the right answer is USB, which is called universal serial bus. So now we will learn about shortcut for the following, which is also carrying 1 marks. So the first one is, to cut the selected text, Control plus X shortcut key can be used. Second one is, to paste the copied or cut content, the shortcut key Control plus V can be used. Third one is, to increase the font size, the shortcut key is Control plus right square bracket. Third one is, to underline the text, the shortcut key is Control plus U. Fifth one is, to change the case of selected text, the shortcut key is Shift plus F3. Sixth one is, for center alignment, their shortcut key is Control plus E. For double line spacing, their shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus D. And eighth one is to replace the text, their shortcut key is Control plus H. And the ninth one is to undo the last operation, their shortcut key is Control plus Z. And the 10th one is to insert page break, their shortcut key is Control plus Enter. So now we will learn about short answer type question. So all these questions are carrying 3 marks. So the first question is, how many pens are available in Window Explorer? Write their names. So there are 2 pens in Window Explorer which are mentioned below. The first one is left pen or navigation pen, and second one is right pen. Our second question is, write the name of different part of Window Explorer. So following are the names of different part of Window Explorer. The first one is title bar, second one is back and forward button, third one is address bar, fourth one is search box, fifth one is menu bar, sixth one is toolbar, sixth one is toolbar, seventh one is status bar. Third question is, define file and folder. So file is the smallest unit to store data. To manage and organize files in the computer system, we use folders. Folders are also called directories. A folder may contain other folder and files. And the fourth one is, what is a word processor? Word processor are the application software. We can create a variety of documents and letters using these softwares. WordPad, MS Word, etc. are the example of some commonly used word processor software. Fifth one is, write the name of some word processing software. Some of the important word processing software. The first one is MS Word, second one is WordPerfect, third one is WordPad, fourth one is WordStar. And the sixth question is, how to start the MS Word? And the answer is, MS Word can be started using the following step. So the first step is open the start menu. Second, type word in the search box. Then press the enter key. The seventh one is, write the name of different parts of MS Word window. And the answer is, the following are the main component of the MS Word window. The first one is title bar, second one is ribbons and tabs, third one is text area, fourth one is status bar, fifth one is scroll bar, sixth one is ruler. And the eighth question is, define the text area. The text area is an important component of MS Word. The large area that appears below the ruler is called the text area. We use this area to create our documents. The blinking line in it is called cursor. And the ninth one is, write about undo command. It reverses the action that we have performed while editing. If we make an error in our document, then we can correct it by click on the undo command. It will remove the last thing we did. Control plus Z shortcut key is used to perform undo operation in MS Word. Undo command is also available on the quick access toolbar. The 10th one is, which are basic 3 font styles? And their answer is, 3 basic font styles are, the first one is bold, second one is italic, third one is underline. And the 11th question is, what are headers and footers in MS Word? The header and footers are the important part of our document. Header appears in the top margin of our document, while the footer appears in the bottom margin of the page. The header and footer usually include information such as page number, date, author name, and so on. The text in the header and footer appears on every page of the document. Insert tab is used to insert header and footers. And the 12th question is, how many change cases options are available in MS Word? Write their name. And the answer is, there are 5 change case options in MS Word, which are given below. The first one is sentence case, second one is lowercase, third one is uppercase, fourth one is capitalize each word, and fifth one is toggle case. The 13th question is, how many alignment are available in MS Word? Write their names and shortcut keys. And their answer is, alignment determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of a paragraph. There are 4 types of alignment in Word, which are as follow. The first one is left alignment, and the shortcut key is Control plus L. And the second one is center alignment, and the shortcut key is Control plus E. And the third one is right alignment, and the shortcut key is Control plus R. And the fourth one is justified alignment, and the shortcut key is Control plus J. And the 14th question is, how can we insert page break in MS Word? So page break are used in MS Word to insert a new page into a document. The shortcut key Control plus Enter can be used to insert a page break in MS Word. Page break can also be inserted using the Insert tab. The 15th question is define table. So tables are an easy way to write data in rows and columns. Tables are often used to present data in the organized form. The table is made up of a combination of rows and columns. 16th question is, write the name of options for inserting a table in a Word document. And the answer is, following are the different ways to insert a table into a Word document. The first one is using the table button. Second one is using the insert table option. And third one is using the draw table option. The 17th question is, what is the use of split cell option? And the answer is, splitting a cell in a table means dividing it into two or more cells. The option to split the cell is available in the Layout tab of Table Tools. And the 18th one is, what is the use of merge cell option? So merge cell means to combine two or more cells in a table to form a single cell. The option to merge cell is available in the Layout tab of Table Tools. The 19th one is, how will you enter data in table cells? And the answer is, click on the cell in which you want to enter data. Now type the data in the cell. Use the tab key or the right arrow key to move to the next cell of the table. Similarly, use Shift plus tab key or left arrow to move from any cell to the previous cell. And the 20th question is, what is memory? Write down two main categories of memory. So any medium that has the capacity to store data is called memory. Memory divided into many smaller parts called cells. Memory is used to store data and instruction. The two main categories of memories are, the first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. And the 21st question is, write the name of any four secondary memory devices. And the answer is, the name of the secondary memory are as follow. The first one is hard disk, second one is external hard disk, third one is floppy disk, fourth one is magnetic tape, fifth one is compact disk, sixth one is digital video disk, and seventh one is pen drive, and eighth one is memory card. And the 22nd question is, what is memory card? Memory card is a portable secondary memory. It is also called a flash memory card. These cards are commonly used in mobiles, digital camera, MP3 player, etc. Memory cards are usually used to store pictures, movies, songs, and other data. And the 23rd question is, write a short note on pen drive. The pen drive is a portable secondary memory. It is a USB based memory device. It is used to transfer data from one computer to another. It is very small in size and its speed is faster. They also have higher storage capacity. So now we will learn about long answer type question, which is carrying 5 marks each. So the first question is, explain the proper posture while typing. So following points should be taken care of proper posture while typing. The first one is, we should sit up straight directly in front of keyboard. Our feet must be flat on floor. Monitor should be at our eye level. Our eyes should be on copy or monitor. Our finger must be curved and upright over home keys. The second one is, explain following keys. The first one is enter key. It is used to move down the cursor to a new line. Use our right little finger for the enter keys. The second one is backspace key. It deletes one character to the left of the blinking cursor. Use our right little finger for the backspace key. Third one is shift key. It is present on both the side of keyboard. It is used to write capital letter or to write the letter printed on the upper side of the key. And the third one is, what is multimedia? Explain the component of multimedia. The word multimedia is a combination of the two words multi and media. Multi means two or more, and media means medium. Thus, multimedia is a technology in which information is distributed using a variety of mediums. The following are major components of multimedia. The first one is text. Written information is called text. Second one is sound. Sound helps us to explain an idea clearly. Third one is animation. It is a motion effect on static images or text. Fourth one is images. Images are an essential part of multimedia. Fifth one is video. Video contains motion picture as well as sound. And the fourth one is what are the requirements for multimedia. The basic requirement for multimedia are hardware and software. These are as follow. The first one is hardware requirement, and the first one is input device, output device, storage devices. And software requirement are these are used to modify and manage the elements of multimedia, for example, Adobe Director, Media Blender, Multimedia Builder, etc. The fifth one is what is a multimedia presentation? What should we keep in mind before preparing multimedia presentation? So a topic can be presented effectively using multimedia presentation. Text, sound, video, animation, and pictures are the important component of a multimedia presentation. Following are some of the points that we should keep in mind before preparing a multimedia presentation. The first one is text should be keep minimum. Sound quality should be good. The user should be able to use the keyboard and mouse. It should be small in size. And the sixth one is write down application of multimedia. So multimedia is used in many fields. Some of the important application area of multimedia are given below. The first one is multimedia is used in the field of education. Second one is multimedia is used to represent the model of human body in medical science. And third one is multimedia is used in the field of entertainment. Fourth one is it is used to inform customer at railway station, bank, etc. Fifth one is it is used for face-to-face communication with people living far away. So I hope you have well practiced the 1 mark, 3 marks and 5 mark question answer from lesson 1 to lesson 8 in this video so far. I hope you will get 50 out of 50 marks in the term 2 exam. Thank you.